So today I'm just doing a quick tutorial on how to do my favourite Easter nails. I've done these for quite a few Easters in a row now, and I personally just think they're fab. I'm always surprised that I don't see loads of people wandering around with these nails. Here they are. So these are very recognisable, I think. They are the iconic Cadbury's mini eggs. Now these are the UK version. I did a quick Google and they are available in other countries, but they're all slightly different. So these are based on the English version, which I have a little bowl of here. So quick little history if you don't know, these were launched in 1967 in the UK, and it used to include blue, but currently it is pink, purple, yellow and white with little brown speckles. Can you see here? Sorry that this is going to make you want to go and get some mini eggs after watching this. So because we have 5 fingers, I have done the historic blue ones as well, but you could always just reuse one of the other colours. Anyway, Easter is now fast approaching, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial and show you how you can do these as well.
Nail preparation, so do any cuticle work you need to do and then file your nails into the shape of a mini egg basically. So a soft rounded tip at the top. Step 2 is to apply your base colours. I'm starting off with the purple here. This is a W7 polish in Lilac Mist. Then the white I used was an Essie one called Blanc. Followed by yellow. This is a Shoreditch nails polish called the Islington. And next up is the pink. This is an American apparel polish, which obviously will not be available anymore. It's a very old polish, but this was the colour Coney Island. I could actually do with using some nail polish thinner in this one, but I really liked this shade and thought it matched the mini eggs. And then the blue that I used is from And Other Stories, and it's called Bluett Fade. I applied 3 coats, I think, of all these polishes, so I'm just showing top coat to show the colour here. And then step 3 to apply the brown speckles. I'm using an Essence polish here called Crazy Cocoa, and I'm just dropping a bit onto the back of a hand cream because it's what I had to hand, but use a bit of tin foil or a lid or something. So you can just be really casual about this. It doesn't have to be precise at all. In fact, they're really uneven on the mini eggs, so just go for it. Step 4 is to apply a matte top coat. I'm using a Hansen one, but most brands do one. And as you apply it, it goes on nice and glossy like a normal top coat, and then as it dries, it mattifies. I don't know the science, but it's very clever. It gives it that mini egg look. So here you can see they're dry, and that top coat has gone nice and matte, giving it a nice powdery finish. Obviously, you don't need to use any of these colours, just whatever you have that matches best. I definitely haven't always perfectly matched them in the past, but I was pretty happy with these.
Sorry, so there you have them. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you liked it. Whatever you decide to go for your Easter nails, whether it's these or something else, if you want those nails to last a little bit longer, all the way through the bank holiday, then why not check out this video next, and I will tell you my tips and tricks for getting a long-lasting manicure. I'm not promising absolute perfection here, but I can promise you'll be in good hands.